Italian meatballs the way that I make them. I know some people make them different, whatever. Mine are pretty basic. So I'm gonna start with turning my oven on to 350. And I also have a baking sheet that I always cover with tin foil. It just makes cleanup easier. I've also already measured out a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of dried chopped parsley, a quarter cup of grated cheese, half cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg, and a pound and a half of hamburger. All right, so first, I left all my measurements out. I know I've got everything out that I need, so I know. Oh, I forgot my block about this. So this, I usually, because it's a grind, this kind of have to measure. So I do about that much. Then that's all you get for that. All right, now parsley's going in. Grated cheese. Remember, that was a quarter cup. It's a lot though, it's plenty. Half a cup of breadcrumbs, so that's too much. No, let's make that a quarter cup of breadcrumbs and 1 egg. That's too much breadcrumbs. You can just eyeball things sometimes to know. 1 egg in. Now this is the fun part. You get to mix it all together. You're gonna be a little gentle, but not too rough. See, all mixed up nice. Now, I don't like big meatballs. I like this size, like a golf ball. We pack them gently. Don't pack them tight, because then they'll be hard. Pack them gently. And you just go. A mini meatloaf here. So my husband goes to work, he takes a sandwich. So we have 10 meatballs. Pound and a half of hamburger. All right, everybody. Hey, everybody. Well, the meatballs are done. It's been about 30 minutes. We'll take them out of the oven. We'll set them right up on top of the stove. As you can see, I cleaned up all the mess and put everything away. So they're all done. They're all done. Meatballs. Fresh Italian meatballs in 30 minutes. Bye. Love you guys.